So this is where we start with the drain. That's the 3-inch. We tied into the 3-inch. We came over here. And made a run all the way down to the toilet. Right there. In the second bathroom. Now off of that, I'll back up. Off of that, we split it right here. And we went in there, inside that room. Right there. For our toilet. Then off the bathtub, we used that, the old bathtub. This is going to be my vanity right here for the drainage and the vent stack going up 2-inch. And there's my sink, my faucet with hot and cold. And then over here, this is going to be our shower. So we split it off here for the bathtub. There's the bathtub, and there's the vent stack. And then back here, we split it, and we came off over here for Elisa's vanity. And there's her sink, her faucet, and her stack. And all the stacks are tied together up in the attic. So, today, and then here's our shower. There's our shower drain. And there's the shower drain for the other bathroom. And then here's the sink for the other bathroom. And this is the faucet. And we'll tie the water lines into that. And then here's our shower. On the left, we've got 2 shower sprays. In the middle, right here, is our shower faucet. And here is the diverter. And then up here is our shower head. And right here is going to be our mounted shower sprayer. Now the water lines, we should finish up tonight. The water line, we are going to tap into this water line. This is our cold water line right here, and it goes down into the floor, and it comes across here. So somewhere here, we're going to tap into it for our cold. And then the hot is over here. And we have to tie into that, into the attic. Loop it around to this wall. Come down this wall. And tie it back in to wherever that pipe comes. Because it comes this way. We have to cut a hole in there and find out where it is, and then tie into it and bring it back over here. And then run it next to this cold water line and tie into the hot. And then we'll have water everywhere. Then I can get rid of this whole wall. This is other side of this wall is my closet. And the new closet wall is going to be this one. And there's the doorway. That's going to go into the closet. So our closet's going to be about 10 by 10. And then that's the toilet with the door. My vanity. Big shower. Tub's going to be right here. Tub faucet. And Elisa's vanity right here. Cabinet. This is the old shower. That's going to disappear. And a doorway out into the game room. I'll update it later. Hope you enjoyed it.